Capricorn, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH at ito ang inyong weekly reading for July 22 to 28, 2024. If you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment kung paano mag-book for a private reading. Okay, Capricorn, let's see. Anong ganap sa inyo? Weekly energies. Overall energy for this week is the Seven of Cups. May nalilito. Gulong-gulo. Anong pipiliin? Sino ang pipiliin? Si Aida, si Lorna, si Faye. Oo, maaring you are in front of a lot of options. A lot of choices to make. But it seems na hindi ka sigurado. Kasi ang dami, na-overwhelm ka eh, no? What is your challenge? You have, the Ten of Wands. Okay, I'm seeing overwhelming work. Overwhelming yung trabaho. Overwhelming yung kailangan mong gawin. Kaya siguro hindi mo alam kung anong uunahin mo. Oo, pag ganyan, yung mga sabi nga is urgent, priority, and then yung pwedeng maghintay. Unahin mo yung urgent para ma-accomplish mo lahat. What is your challenge? Ang challenge is mabagal. Minsan mabagal ka kumilos. So, syempre, isa yan sa reason kung bakit nagtatagal. Oo. Bilisan mo daw. Okay, what is your blessing? Wow, Ace of Cups. As a blessing, this is happiness. This is joy. Maaring may love offer for you, potential romantic partner. And kung mapapansin mo, dito 7 yung cups, dito naman isa lang. So, ibig sabihin, ang blessing mo, makakapili ka ng best among the rest. Yan yung blessing mo. Kahit ano pa yung pinipili mo na yan. Person sa buhay mo, trabaho, career, opportunities. Let's see your money, career, finances. You have the Nine of Cups, which is wish fulfillment. You have Temperance and the Eight of Swords. Okay. So, yung iba sa inyo, nagbunga na ang inyong paghihintay. Ayan. Maaring in the past, meron kayong hindi na-accomplish, hindi nagagawa, kasi pwedeng ino-overthink nyo, no? Na, ay, baka, hindi ako maging successful dito, ay, baka ganito. So, ngayon, finally, you will be able to accomplish that. Dahil you are breaking free from your limitations. Kasi naging patient ka rin sa sarili mo. Kumbaga, binigyan mo ng time yung sarili mo na ayusin yung mga kailangan mong ayusin sa trabaho, sa career, sa business mo. Meron ka, having a backup plan is good. Is a good way to deal with unexpected financial crisis. So, yung iba sa inyo, magkakaroon ng backup plan. Okay? Paghahandaan nyo. Parang magkakaroon kayo ng emergency fund na hindi kayo maapektuhan kapag nagkaroon ng unexpected na expenses. Adulting. Iba sa inyo, you are living on your own. There is freedom. You are becoming more mature in handling your finances. Yes. Marunong ka na mag-budget ngayon. Unlike dati na dahil na-overwhelm ka, lahat gusto mong ma-accommodate. So, napapagastos ka tuloy. So, ngayon alam mo na kung ano yung pipiliin na may value sa buhay mo at yun yung ikikip mo para sa sarili mo. Your love life. You have the Six of Swords. You are moving on. Nagmo-move on na, mga Capricorn. Kasi na-realize nyo na kung ano yung best for you with the Justice card. Alam mo na kung saan ka mas magiging masaya, saan ka mas magkakaroon ng peace of mind. Iba sa inyo, nagmo-move on kayo from a conflict with someone. Parang umiiwas ka na. May date. Baka kayo ay iba sa inyo magkakaroon ng opportunity to meet someone, especially if you are manifesting a new relationship. 'Di ba? Kasi naka-move on ka na. Ganun yun, oo. Yung iba sasabihin na, bakit kaya walang dumarating na person sa akin, kahit na single. Oo, kasi nga, hindi ka pa naka-move on, pwedeng energetically connected ka pa rin sa ex mo. So, iniisip mo pa rin kung magkakabalikan pa ba kayo. But I feel like the moment na magtiwala ka sa sarili mong kakayanan, na kaya mo on your own, you can make things happen for yourself, then definitely, love will find a way. May bagong person. You may be meeting a Leo or a Libra. Let's see. You have Saturn in Libra in the 7th house. Devotion. Yung iba sa inyo, pagdating sa relationship, talagang todo suporta kayo. No? Kumbaga kayo ang sandigan. Hindi nagigiba. So, marami rin nakasuporta sa inyo. Ay, oo. Nakasuporta o sinusuportahan nyo, umaasa sa inyo, ganon. You have Saturn in Aries in the 1st house. Yung iba sa inyo, magte-take kayo ng risk. Oo, yung tipong gagawin nyo on your own na walang tulong ng iba. Pwedeng may project kayo, or anything na bago sa inyo na gagawin, na first time yung gagawin, na kayo lang mag-isa. You have Mercury in Libra in the 7th house influence. 7th house is relationship, so pwedeng yung iba sa inyo kaya hindi kayo nakaka-move on from your past dahil maaring itong person na to is still talking to you, ginugulo ka pa rin, nagpapaasa pa rin. Oo. So I think you have to detach yourself from that person na alam mo namang hindi na parang alam mo naman na hindi na siya totoo sa kanyang intentions towards you. Alam mo yun, paasa, no? Oo, iiwasan mo na yan, yung mga paasa na yan. At magpo-focus ka sa sarili mo, ayusin mo yung sarili mo, para finally, mas magiging klaro sa'yo which direction you have to take. Okay? Can be anything rin. Pwede rin namang hindi lang to sa romantic connection. Can also be a connection with someone you love, na pwedeng family member, friend. You have the Bear. Kailangan daw maging maingat ka sa paggamit ng iyong resources. Walang sinasayang na resources. Okay. Pay attention to your health as well, Capricorn. Kung meron kang kailangang pagtuunan na ng pansin sa kalusugan mo, wag mo nang patagalin yan para maisaayos mo na. There's also happiness around you, merong good luck. There's good luck sa mga ipupurso mo, susubukan mo in the future. Dahil meron ding taong very supportive of you. Someone is very loyal to you. This can be a friend, a family member, na laging nandyan para sa'yo. Optimism. If you're going to make up stories in your head about people and circumstances, please make them love stories with happy endings. Yes. Minsan kasi iniisip natin, what if ganito, what if ganon? Alam niyo yung Inside Out 2, no? Kung napanood niyo yun, relate. Kasi minsan, no, we get so anxious about our future, na dapat everything should be perfect. Pero hindi pala. Kasi may sarili tayong journey wherein nagkakamali tayo. And it's okay. Kasi dun tayo natututo. Okay? Energy. Stop trying to please everyone. Everyone is a whole lot of people. Protect your energy. Yes. Mm-mm. Mahirap mag-please ng maraming tao kasi yung sarili mo, nakakalimutan mo na. Yung totoong ikaw. So, mas maganda na mas maging authentic ka for who you really are para ang ma-attract mo ay yung mga soul family mo na nakaka-resonate sa energy mo. Okay? So, that is your reading, Capricorn. Thank you so much. Bye!